Welcome back to another episode of physics. I did promise us that I would show us how to derive the two other kinematics equations from the ones that you were given. I'm going to go over deriving the first one, which is S is equal to U times T plus 1/2 AT squared. I'm going to do this one in this video, and in another video I will show us how to derive the other one. Before you continue to watch this video, if you have not done this yet, I highly recommend you trying it out first before me showing you how to do it. If you want an approach how you can start off the question, I'm going to show you how you can approach it. I'm going to pause the video, try it out before watching the rest of the video. Here we have two equations. Now, if we take a look at both of these equations, we notice that the one that we want to derive does not have final velocity, which means if we get rid of final velocity somehow, when we put these two equations together, we will be able to somehow derive this one over here. I am going to suggest that we're going to take our final velocity from one equation. I'm going to label this one as equation 1, this one as equation 2. I am going to take final velocity from equation 1 and substitute into equation number 2. When you substitute this one in this equation, you simplify the function. That should give you this newly derived formula over here. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video now, try it out. So hopefully if you tried it out and it works and you want to see whether or not you were on the right track, or if you're stuck, I am going to show us how to do the rest of this part. Equation number 1. I'm going to put final velocity into my second equation. So I'm going to write my second equation out. I'm going to have S is equal to, and I'm going to put in brackets what I'm going to substitute in here. This is our V final plus initial velocity divided by 2 times T. And inside I have V final. I am going to substitute that one down over here, which is on the other side of the equation I have U plus a T. Time to simplify. After I simplify this one, I will have U plus AT plus another U, all divided by 2, and all of that divided by T. Okay? Let's take a look. Oh, look, we have two U's. Let's put the two U's together. After I put the two U's together, I'm going to have 2U plus AT divided by 2, and all of that multiplied by T. If I distribute the T inside my brackets, I am going to be left with 2U T plus A times T, and with another T that will be T squared. All of that divided by 2. To divide everything by 2, gotta make sure you're dividing every single term above by 2. So I'm going to divide this term by 2, and I'm going to divide this term over here by 2, which I will be left with a half. This gives me U T plus 1/2 AT squared. And voila, there we go. We have the equation right over here. Hopefully that helped confirm the steps that you chose to take. Next up, I will be deriving the other kinematics equation. Stay tuned. See you later.